How to delete a comment on Reddit application. Are you guys facing issues to delete your comment on Reddit app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Reddit app on your mobile device. Once you open the Reddit app, now log in into your account with a registered email and password. If you don't know how to log in into your account, then make sure to check out a guide on how to do it. Once you enter the app and go over your comment, you can see the option for 3 dot. Tap on it and just simply hit the delete icon. And again click on delete. That's it guys. That's how we're gonna delete comment on Reddit application. If you guys have any issues regarding Reddit app, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.